Building software shouldn't feel like building stress. That's why we created FAB Builder Studio, your all-in-one AI-powered development workspace. FAB Builder Studio is a smarter way to build applications, faster, easier, and without the usual friction. It's a code generation platform that helps you go from idea to code in minutes, whether you're building a dynamic front-end, connecting to APIs, or setting up scalable backend logic. With FAB Builder Studio, you can start building your app your way. Use AI to generate code, import your Swagger files, pick from ready-made templates, or build everything from scratch. Just type what you need. FAB Builder's AI-assisted code engine instantly writes production-ready code for you. From React and Tailwind to Node.js and MongoDB, your stack, your flow. With one-click deployment, your app can go live instantly, and the best part? You own 100% of your source code, no lock-ins, full control. Why start from scratch when you can start with FAB? Code smarter, build faster, ship confidently. FAB Builder Studio, AI assistance platform to generate full-stack applications.
To contact us, please visit our website, email us, or call us.